Richmond here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Here to talk to you for a few minutes about the Sea Ray SDX 250. This is a brand new model for Sea Ray, and I tell you what, it's awesome. It's got a 300 horsepower outboard. It's a Mercury. It's got adjustable seat backs. It's got paddleboard storage. It's got a cooler in the floor. But more than that, it's also got, of course, it's got electronics, got a 12-inch Simrad. The thing that won me over on this boat is if you've got little kids around, they're out in the sun all day, they're cooking, they're about on their ninth shade of pink, you need somewhere to get them out of the shade. You've got the bimini, but I tell you what, there's nothing like this little cabin down here. It's a berth. It's about a twin-size bed. It's got room for 3 or 4 kids. They can get down there with their phones or video games, do whatever, get out of the sun. It's awesome. Now listen, when you go to buy a boat, a pleasure boat, remember Sea Ray started it all. They're the grandfather of fiberglass sport boats. And you know what? If you don't buy a Sea Ray, you know what they say? They say, hey, it's just like a Sea Ray. Believe me, it's not. These boats are gel coated inside and out, stronger hulls, great rides, huge R&D department. They're the best of the best. Give me a call, 850-358-0908, and let's make an appointment to come down and take a look and schedule a test drive. Have a great Christmas. We'll talk to you soon.